American school. Its principal, James Weldon Johnson, wrote the words to introduce its honored guest, Booker T. Washington. The poem was later set to music by Mr. Johnson's brother, John, in 1905. Singing this song quickly became a way for African Americans to demonstrate their patriotism and hope for